Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create this typography in After Effects. So let's begin. Alright, so here we are inside of Adobe After Effects, and now let's begin. I will create a composition and I will set its width and height on 1080 with a frame rate of 24 frames per second, and also the duration is set on 5 seconds. Now I will bring my color guide and I will scale it down. So I want to create a background just like the color guide that I have in here. So I will create a new shape layer by going towards the new tab, and in add menu I'm going to select the rectangle and I'm going to assign a fill for it. Now since my composition is set on 1080 and I have 5 colors, I need to divide the numbers to 5. So I'm going to do it by going towards the rectangle path and I will divide the 1080 to 5. And I will set the Y value to 1080. Now I will duplicate the layers and I will change their colors and I will adjust their positions. So now I will pre-compose the layers and I will duplicate them and I will adjust them like this. And lastly, let's parent it to the first layer. Well, I will select the first layer and I will set a keyframe on position, and on 2 seconds I will move it towards right. This way I will create a rolling effect. Now I will easy ease the keyframes and I will give each handle a 60% influence. Well, now if I open the background composition and I will select all of the layers, and in add menu I will add a stroke. Now I will go towards the 2 seconds and 12 frames and I will set a keyframe, and then on 4 seconds and 12 frames I will bring back the background to its original position. Now I have a back and forth background movement. Now, if you have enjoyed this video so far, please leave out a like and subscribe to my channel as I need your attention to grow on YouTube. Now let's get back to video. Well, now let's focus on creating our text. So let's hide the backgrounds for now, and I'm going to select my type tool and I'm going to use Helvetica round and I'm going to type the word world. Now I'm gonna create a shape from text and I'm going to use motion tools to extract the shapes. Now I will select the W letter and I will set a keyframe for position and rotation. 4 frames forward I will add another set of keyframes for the anticipation, and again 10 frames forward I will create the keyframes for the main action. Lastly, I will finish the loop in the next 10 frames. The entire animation now is set on 1 second. Now the easings is one of the important part of this animation and it should be equal on every set of keyframes. So firstly I will adjust the keyframes like this. And then I will use Ease Copy, which is a free plugin to copy and paste the easings to the rest of the keyframes. So I will quickly animate the other letters. Now I will offset each word by 1 frame. In this way I will create a more dynamic and fun animation. Now I will select the layers and I will pre-compose them. Now I will duplicate the composition and I will place it at 2 seconds and 12 frames for a loop. Also, I will trim the first composition at the 2 seconds and 12 frames so it doesn't overlap with the second one. Now I will select the layers and I will pre-compose them one more time. Well, now I will duplicate the composition and I will add fill effect to it. And I will get the colors from the background. Also, I will hold shift and by pressing the right arrow key once, I will move the composition 10 pixels to the right. And I will do this step a couple of times. Now I will create an adjustment layer and I will apply the post-rise time effect. I will set the frame rate to 12 to get an hand-drawn effect. Now to complete the hand-drawn effect, I will add a turbulent displace effect. I will reduce the amount and size in order to reduce the distortion, and I will set the complexity to 2. Now I will hold Alt and I will click on random seed to set an expression. I will type time multiplied by 6. All done. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.